Hadith 228, Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when one of you leads the salah, he should not prolong it because the congregation includes those who are feeble, ill or old. One version adds that those who have to attend to work. While offering prayers alone, you may pray as long as you like. Bukhari and Muslim.
Right, so if you are praying and leading the jama'ah, the general trend is to make it light, to shorten the prayer, but not on the expense of the obligations and the wajib arkan, which is the pillars of the salah. Not to make, for example, there is no khushu' and there is no, tranquility in your ruku or tranquility in your sujood, your prayer will not be valid. But I'm just saying, not to prolong it to such an extent that the people will start complaining. Because behind you, it's not everybody agile. And don't be deceived after your recitation is finished. MashaAllah, I love your long recitation. Brother, make it even longer. No, don't be deceived by that person. If that person came to praise you, there's maybe other people who was not able, shy, afraid, scared of you maybe, to tell you that, please brother, make it short. So, we don't want to make it short according to the desire of the people. No, according to the Sunnah. Do you understand? You apply the Sunnah. Satisfy the Sunnah, Allah will protect you. It's not just satisfying what the people want. No, we will give them what the people need. That's the Sunnah. So the Prophet said, if you are praying on your own, prolong it. And it's the opposite these days. The person on his own, nobody can see him. He prays the quick prayer. But he's leading the prayer, he wants to show off now. Make it longer. That's the opposite. That's you're not sincere. So, if you are leading, then this is an imam as well cool. This is the Prophet is teaching the imams that do not make the people hate the salah by you prolonging the recitation. And also shows that Islam ease and Islam tolerance.